first of all, yung COVAX vaccines appear to be getting delayed because of paperwork. So for all intents and purposes, there's a big chance na maunang dumating yung Sinovac vaccines na slated to arrive at on February 23. Pero wala pa siyang approval ng FDA for an EUA. How close are we to giving Sinovac an EUA, if at all? And what if it is not approved by the 23rd?
Well, if it's not approved by the 23rd, they cannot bring it in or use it. No? Kasi you need an authorization to be able to use a vaccine in the Philippines. I cannot give a date kasi, our experts are really busy at it. We got updated data again 2 days ago. So they're looking at that, at the safety and the efficacy profile. And then our regulators at FDA who are checking the quality, the manufacturing, the stability of the test, had a meeting with the Sinovac last night. And they were asking for, I think, at least 4 more documents. No? And Sinovac promised to submit this within the week. Of course, depending on how satisfactory everything is, dun ko lang mabibigay ng makaka-make ng decision on the application. So I cannot give a date on when that will happen. I want to finish it soon. I want to make a decision at least siguro by the end of the month. But I'm not giving myself naman that this February 23 deadline. No?
Yes, sir.
Some things just really have to be appreciated really well before you make a decision on them.
Yes, sir. Kasi we got the impression...
Why are you taking longer with Sinovac compared to the other drugs? I mean, the other vaccines.
Yeah, like with Pfizer, we were able to do it in the 21 days that we set, and also AstraZeneca. And that's because these two drugs have what we call from what you call stringent regulatory authorities. Yeah, and when you have that, it means that it has, for example, from US FDA, UK FDA, even WHO. So pag nag-submit yan, kompleto talaga yan eh. Nanggaling na rin kasi sa mas stricto pa, no? Kesa sa atin. Plus, we ask them to submit to us all of the evaluation reports and the question and answer portions of the previous evaluations from those countries. So pagdating dito sa atin yan, nasala na yan, and it's a lot easier to appreciate everything.
It's not enough that it was used already, say, in Sambasa, Indonesia, or sa Turkey. Hindi yun sapat. I mean, that's not a high enough standard. Ganun ba yun?
Oo, hindi eh. Kasi like Turkey and Indonesia, these are not considered stringent regulatory authorities. No? So which means we have to take a look at everything, and then of course the product. Yung gusto natin makita, for example, na yung product na ginamit sa India is the same as the product na ginamit sa Turkey, and it's the same as the product that will be brought here. And for that, we have to look at all of the specifications.
Okay, Yusek, what about the Russians? Where are we with the Russian vaccines, particularly Sputnik V?
Yeah, I think that one's even going to take a little longer. No, if I say that yung sa Sinovac we're like asking for 4 documents, I think for the Sputnik V it's like 14 documents, no, that they still have not submitted. Meron din sigurong lost in translation. Minsan yung format nila iba, tapos minsan yung inihingi namin pagbalik iba naman yung naibigay. It's very difficult sometimes, and our team has had several meetings with them. Hopefully the last one nagkaintindihan na siguro talaga what data we're asking for, and hopefully they submit it soon so that we can take a look at it.
Sir, it has gotten approval from 22 countries, no, according to Mr. Dmitriev, who we had as a guest a couple of days ago. So it's that, again, that's not enough apparently.
Yeah, kasi that's true. If you look at the list of 22, none of them is from a stringent regulatory authority. It's from mostly countries from Eastern Europe or Latin America, but not classified by the WHO, for example, as a stringent regulatory authority. And of course, some things kasi must be submitted that is very particular to us. Yung stability data, for example, the labeling that you will use when it gets here. Bawat country may sinasubmit sila na hindi naman porke hindi hiningi sa ibang bansa, hindi na natin hihingin, no? Because we follow WHO standards. Although I have to say the Philippines is not, it's not counted as a stringent regulatory authority. But for the EUA, which is the first time we're doing this in the country, we're really following WHO standards.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll go back to Sinovac. Kasi 23rd is exactly a week from now, and you're still looking for 4 documents from Sinovac. So I suppose in all likelihood, baka maunang dumating ang 23rd bago matapos yung processing.
Oh, well, marami nagtanong sa akin yan. I said it's probably a 50-50 chance, no? It's really because it doesn't depend solely on me, no? If I'm forced to make an early decision, then I'm going to be making a cautious decision, no? Na siguro wag muna. Pero I'd rather wait and see if they are able to submit everything that we require, and then make a decision based on that. And depending
Yes,
na
sir.
talaga sa kanila yan kung kailan makokompleto.